Okay, so in this last video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list box. So we just created the database and this is where it appears. So right in the middle of it, the central icon is the search button. So you click on the search button first, and then you can, choose to add whatever filters you want to arrive at the word list you want. Let's say I want to create a set of a list box that has all fives with, containing the high tiles like Z, Q, J, and X. So I say add filter and start with length equal to 5. You can also use another filter and say greater than or equal to 4, less than or equal to 5 to kind of get both the 4s and 5s. That's totally up to you, but adding multiple filters could be a little bit cumbersome. So typically what I do is I create a single filter, add it to the list box, and then you can always choose another filter set and then add it to the same list box. So here I'm going to say contains letters Z, and then click at the search button below here. Okay, for some reason this is showing number of anagrams. This should be length. Search again. There you go. So now these are all my words that have 5-letter words that have Z in it. So now what I do is I say list box and then I enter a name here. Let's call it high tile 5s. Okay. You can give whatever name you want, and then you click on save. And here is my list. So if you see, whenever you create a list box, you automatically have the percentage seen and the percentage correct. At beginning, of course, the percentage seen is 0. And as and when you keep doing quizzes out of the list box, you will see this percentage change. So you will know how many words of the list box you have covered and what is your accuracy rate, or how many of them you're actually getting right. Okay, I'll get to the quiz settings in a bit. Now, let's say I want to add some more words to this. So I don't load from here. I go back. This is my database. I want to also add Q. So then I search for Q. Here are all my 5-letter words with Q. So then I again click on list box. This time, I don't want to create a new list box. I want to add it to the existing list box. So I click on the list box name where I want to add it, and I use the option add to search list box, add search to list box. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing for X. Now typically you don't need to do this if you're doing it by probability and all of that, because you don't really add multiple such filters to the same list box. But in this case it's an exception because I want all the high tiles in one list box. Go back again, there's only J remaining. Search again, list box, click on the list box name, add search to list box. Okay, now here I have created a list box. Sorry, I'm going to go back again. So now when you come to your home page, every time you open the app, you can click on list box and you will see this list box is created. Okay, and I will show you in a bit. I'm going to show you one more list box after this, and then I will show you how to quiz.